Hello student, I am Dr. Vikas Karan. Today we will discuss the basic concept of nodal analysis. So the basic concept of nodal analysis is depend on the concept of KCL, or according to the KCL, we are consider the algebraic sum of current at any node is 0. So for the example, if we are consider a 4 branch with respect to the node 0, then the outgoing current I1, then I2, or incoming current in the terms of I3 and I4. So according to the concept of KCL, the incoming current is equal to the outgoing current. So in this case, I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 plus I4. So if we are consider the direction of incoming current is equal to positive, so in that case the direction of outgoing current is equal to negative, or maybe vice versa. If we are consider the direction of outgoing current is positive, so in this case the direction of incoming current is equal to negative. So this is the basic concept of KCL, or we assess the concept of nodal analysis through the concept of KCL. So now we are consider one of the example of nodal analysis in a general way. So this is a given circuit. V1, V2, R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5. So according to the concept, V1 and V2 is active element because they are deliver the power, or R1, R2, R3, R4, and R5 is passive element because they receive the power. So in this case, when we apply nodal analysis, first we identify number of node, and node is the point from which current is distributed in a different direction. So according to this numerical, the position of node at this position or at this position. So here we assign to unknown quantity as a VA and VB. So according to the concept of KCL, the algebraic sum of current at any node is 0. So at node A, if we are consider all the direction of current is outgoing. So I1, I2, or I3. So the KCL equation at node A is, we are consider all the direction are outgoing. That's why I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. So now we put the value of current I is equal to the V by R according to the Ohm's law. So first, the value of I1. I1 is current which flow in this branch. So the voltage, because we are consider I is equal to the V by R. So I1 is equal to VA minus of V1 divided by R1. So VA, then current is flow in this direction and the last two terminal of V1 is negative. So VA minus V1 upon R1. Then the value of I2 is equal VA upon R4. Then the value of I3. So I3, when we consider the reference node is A, so VA is at positive potential. So in that case, VB is at negative potential. So VA minus VB upon R2 is equal to 0. So at node A, I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. Then the value of I1 is equal to VA minus 1 upon R1, VA upon R4, then VA minus VB upon R2 is equal to 0. Now, at KCL equation, at node B. So again, we are consider the outgoing current I4, I5 and I6. So in this case, definitely I4 is equal to minus of I3 due to the direction. So again, we put the equation at node B, I4 plus I5 plus I6 is equal to 0. Now we put the value in the terms of voltage upon resistance. So now in the case of I4, VB is at positive potential and VA is at negative potential, because in this case VB is a reference node. So VB minus VA divided by R2. I5 is equal VB upon R5, or then I6 is equal to VB minus V2 divided by R3 is equal to 0. So this is the basic concept of nodal analysis, how to write the nodal equation. Now we assess the concept of nodal analysis through the numerical concept or the numerical question. So now we consider a question: find the current across 2 ohm resistor by nodal analysis. So the question is, so this is the question which we identify the current across the 2 ohm resistor by nodal analysis. So in this case, first we identify two unknown node as VA and VB. So the now KCL equation in the terms of I1, again we are considered as outgoing direction. So the I1, I2 and I3. Now the equation at node A, I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. Now the value of I1 is equal VA minus 10 upon 1 plus VA by 4 plus VA minus VB upon 2 is equal to 0. So now the equations become 7VA after the simplification minus 2VB is equal to 40. This is equation 1. Now the KCL equation at node B. So again, I4, I5 and I6. So the I4 plus I5 plus I6 is equal to 0. Now we write the equation of current in the terms of voltage upon resistance. So VB minus VA divided by 2 plus VB upon 7 plus VB minus 5 upon 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5 is equal to 0. So the equation becomes minus 35 VA plus 59 VB is equal to 70. So from the equation 1 and 2, we measure VA is equal to 7.28 volt and VB is equal 5.51 volt. So now the value of current across the 2 ohm resistance. So in the first case, first we identify current across this 2 ohm resistance, which is equal to the I2 ohm is equal to the I4 is equal minus of I3. So the value of I3, VB minus VA divided by 2 is value of I4 is equal 5.51 minus 7.28 divided by 2, which is equal to the 0.885 ampere. So this is the final answer where we identify the value of I2 ohm across this branch. Also we identify the current across this branch. So value of I2 ohm is equal I6, where the value is VB minus 5 upon 5. So the value of VB is 5.51 minus 5 divided by 5 is equal to 0.51 divided by 5. So this is the final result of current across the 2 ohm resistor through the nodal analysis.